Well, because of the coronavirus, interest rates have bottomed out in recent months, and you might be thinking about refinancing to help improve your finances. Well, Ladonna Ali, the Community Affairs Officer with Central Bank of the Midwest, has your need-to-know information. First up, can you explain what is involved in a mortgage refinance?
Your bank or your lender will pay off your existing mortgage with your current mortgage, and the cost for that usually can be rolled into the loan amount for that refinance. We can also look at fixed rates or variable rates for that refinance.
So what are some options for mortgage refinance, and what exactly can you do with one?
Some of the options with the mortgage refinance is some folks look at a shorter term. That means they may go from a 30-year fixed to a 20-year or a 10 or a 15-year fixed. Some folks look at lowering their interest rate as well. And then also we can look at cash out. So this is that time of year. It's spring, it's home improvements. We're going to get past this coronavirus. And so some folks will be looking at making home improvements to their home.
Well, many people are going to be sitting at home right now and are probably making a list of projects they would like to get done around the house. Now, this is where a home equity line of credit can be used. Can you tell us a little bit more about that line of credit?
So a home equity line of credit is the equity in your home that you can use to make home improvements. So it works similar to a credit card. So to give you an idea of how that works is, say for example, your mortgage balance was $80,000 and your home appraised for $100,000. So that $20,000 difference, that's the equity in your home that you can use to do home improvements. We're getting into that time of year. Once we get past this coronavirus, we have folks that'll be hosting the Royals games at their homes, or even maybe our Super Bowl Kansas City Chiefs. They'll host some of those football games at their home as well.
I like the sound of that. Can't wait to get back to that, as a matter of fact. Now, getting back to having folks over and watching our teams, what are the different options for using a home equity line of credit?
Yes, so there's a couple of options that we can look at with using the home equity line of credit. Usually there is a variable rate for that home equity line of credit. And what that means is, say if you have that home equity line of credit for $20,000 and you only use 10, then you only pay the compounded interest on that $10,000. So that helps folks with a lower payment. Also, you may, if you're not comfortable with that variable option, you may want to do that fixed rate, which some lenders call a fixed second or a home equity loan.
And finally, we have to talk interest rates because they're rock bottom right now, right? Well, how do the low interest rates affect refinancing or taking out that home equity line of credit?
Yes, great question, because there's a big concern about rates and what they're doing right now. And I just like to say the interest rates are in the single digits. Rates are low, which helps folks in regards to that affordable monthly payment. So I would encourage everyone to either call us or go online and reach out to us, and we're more than happy to share interest rates with you and how the home equity line of credit works.
Central Bank of the Midwest is member FDIC and an equal housing lender with dozens of branches across greater Kansas City and Lawrence. For more information, call 816-525-5300 or go online to centralbank.net. And we're back after this.